G'day folks, today I've come up to Lake William Hovell to do a bit of winter kayak fishing to see if I can catch myself a redfin or a trout. Rightio, now Lake William Hovell is a very picturesque lake set in the Victorian mountains. The lake itself was built in the 1870s. The plan was that they would hold all this water back and then send it down the King Valley in one foul swoop and flush Ned Kelly out of his hiding spot. But it didn't work because the day they sent the water down, Ned Kelly was over in Jerilderie robbing a bank. Now, if you've believed that, then chances are that you'll believe anything that I tell you. Rightio, now here's my ride for today. It's a Dagger Echo. It's a sit-in type kayak or enclosed hull. This part here comes off, allowing the front to really open up and make it easier to get in and out of. I've got my fishing gear in this bag here and my glasses. In here I've got my my camera, you can see a camera there, as well as my GoPro batteries. I've just got a can of drink in there, as well as a bag, so that if I do catch a nice redfin or a trout, I can put it in that bag. Down the back here is a waterproof compartment. In here, I've just got a whole change of clothes, just in case the unfortunate happens and I do capsize or get really wet if we get a heavy downpour or something. So I've got some dry clothes if I need them, all my fishing gear and stuff there, and a drink. I've got my life jacket on around my waist, and I'm set to go. I'm in. Right, now I'm going to start off chasing redfin. I'm using a Strike Tiger 3-inch curl-tail grub in banana shot colour, and I'm going to fish it out deep. I'm going with a bigger plastic than what I often use for redfin because I'm actually targeting bigger fish. Also, it's starting to rain, so I'm going to pull my hoodie up over my head and fish hard. Rightio, I've been bobbing that plastic for half an hour or so to no avail. So what I might do is wander up there around that point where I might be out of the wind a bit. There's a bit of a chop on the water here, and it's just making it a bit awkward. Right, I'm going to change to a minnow lure and just trawl up the river a little bit. Now, one thing I really like about this kayak is that I've got like a bit of a shelf here that I can put stuff on. I'm a little bit annoyed because I had those little clips that Stephen sent me in a mail time segment recently, but I must have left them in the bloody car. What should I go with? I could go with a trusty old wild bait minnow. Very, very natural. We'll catch trout and redfin. I can give the team Born to Fish a bit of a swim. Certainly be visible in the clear water. I reckon I might go with the wild bait. I might try the wild bait minnow up the river course here. And when I get to the top, I'm thinking about casting around a one of these, a Demiki Volt. A Demiki Volt blade. What I'll do, I'll take it out now and set it up here on my little shelf. So the plan is I've taken that off, which is what I've been chasing redfin with. I might leave that out, and that's the team Born to Fish in case I want to give it a run. I might give the little wild bait minnow a swim for now, and I'll put this Demiki blade here because I want to give that a crack later. And I might also leave this little Strike Tiger nymph here, a dark nymph, just in case there's some trout up near the mouth of where the river's running in. Alright, that's the plan. Righto, I've got my little wild bait tied on with a loop knot. I'll trawl that up to the mouth of the river. stretch, a few photos. I've just got back on the water. I've changed lures to a secret weapon, a blade. This is the Damiki Volt 42 blade. The blade is a really skinny metallic lure, like a knife blade. They cast further than any other lure that I know, and I've got stacks of trout on them up here. Look at all this stuff washed up here. All the grasses are flattened. Lake William Hovell was 109% a few weeks ago after that heavy rain. I fished it when it's been 104% and the water sort of swirls around here and it's quite a lot of current. I can only imagine what it would look like at 109%. Probably be scary to be up here on the lake, I reckon. Rightio, it's the last leg of the race. Current time is 4:15. I've been fishing for about 3 hours. I've used soft plastics, I've used blades, I've used minnows, and I've done no good on anything. It's just been dead. Now I'm going with the little, this is the Tassie spoon, made by the same mob that make the Tassie Devils, but this is the Tassie spoon. I'm going to trawl this now until dark.